for clownfish, clownfish, clownfish. D is for dolphin, dolphin, dolphin. From A to Z, let's explore ocean creatures we adore. E is for eel, 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 eel. F is for flounder, 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 flounder. G is for grouper, 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 grouper. H is for hermit crab, hermit crab, hermit, hermit, hermit crab. From A to Z, let's explore ocean creatures we adore. I is for isopod, isopod, isopod. J is for jellyfish, jellyfish, jellyfish. K is for king crab, king crab, king crab. L is for lobster, lobster, lobster. From A to Z, let's explore ocean creatures we adore. M is from turray, turray, and turray, and turray. N is for nudie, branch, nudie, branch, nigh, branch. O is for octopus, octopus, octopus. P is for pinwin, pinwin, pinwin. From A to Z, let's explore ocean creatures we adore. Q is for queen angelfish, queen angelfish. R is for royal dotty, back, royal dotty, back. S is for starfish, starfish, starfish. T is for turtle, turtle, turtle. From A to Z, let's explore ocean creatures we adore. U is for urchin, urine urchin. V is for viperfish, 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 viperfish. W is for walrus, 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 walrus. X is for ceosaurus, ceosaurus, cephosaurus. From A to Z, let's explore ocean creatures we adore. Y is for yellowfin, tuna, yellowfin, tuna, yellowfin, tuna. Z is for zebra shark, zebra shark, zebra shark. From A to Z, let's explore ocean creatures we adore. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun learning videos. See you next time. Goodbye.